Welcome to Star Chat, the podcast that takes you on a journey through the vast expanse of our universe, exploring the latest discoveries and wonders of the cosmos. I'm your host, Carl, and I'm thrilled to have you join me on this adventure. Tonight, we're going to dive into the heart of our own galaxy, the Milky Way, where a team of astronomers has made a groundbreaking observation that's shedding new light on the mysteries of star formation. Using the powerful ALMA telescope, they've created a stunning map of the galactic center, revealing intricate structures and chemical fingerprints that are helping us understand how stars are born in this chaotic and extreme environment. Imagine being at the edge of a supermassive black hole, surrounded by dense gas and dust, where massive stars are forming and dying in a spectacular display of cosmic fireworks. This is the world that the ALMA survey has revealed, with unprecedented detail and clarity. The team has identified over 70 chemical fingerprints in the gas, including silicon monoxide, methanol, and acetone, each responding to different physical conditions, allowing researchers to assess density, temperature, and motion. As we delve into this fascinating region, we're not just learning about our own galaxy, we're also gaining insights into the formation of galaxies in the early universe. The researchers' findings suggest that the Milky Way's galactic center shares many features with these distant galaxies, where stars were forming in chaotic and extreme environments. This discovery has far-reaching implications for our understanding of the cosmos and the evolution of galaxies over billions of years. The ALMA survey is a game-changer, offering a unique perspective on the star-forming gas supply in the core of the Milky Way. By combining observations with computer simulations, the team can now probe where star formation switches on and off along the gas stream, whether certain orbital points trigger collapse, and how gravity and other factors compete to control the rate of star birth. As we continue to explore the wonders of our universe, we're reminded that there's still so much to discover, so much to learn, and so much to marvel at. The mysteries of the cosmos are a never-ending source of fascination, and we're honored to be a part of this journey of discovery. We'll be right back with more fascinating space news on Star Chat. Welcome back to Star Chat. As we continue our journey through the vast expanse of the universe, we find ourselves pondering one of humanity's most profound questions. Are we alone? The search for life beyond Earth has led us to explore the conditions necessary for life to thrive on other planets. Today, we're going to talk about a fascinating discovery that might just help explain why we haven't found any signs of life yet. You see, astronomers have long been familiar with the concept of the Goldilocks zone, the region around a star where temperatures are just right for liquid water to exist on a planet's surface. But now, researchers have identified a chemical equivalent, which they've dubbed the chemical Goldilocks zone. It turns out that a narrow range of planetary conditions is necessary to ensure the availability of bioessential nutrients like phosphorus and nitrogen. Imagine a planet with plenty of water, but lacking the essential building blocks of life. It's a bit like having all the ingredients for a recipe, except for one crucial component. You can't make a cake without flour, and you can't create life without phosphorus and nitrogen. These elements are crucial for assembling cell walls, encoding genetic information, and building proteins. But here's the catch. Even if a planet has these nutrients, they can still sink into its core, becoming inaccessible to life on the surface. It's like having a treasure chest filled with gold, but it's locked away in a vault that's impossible to open. The key to unlocking this treasure is oxygen, or rather, the availability of reactable oxygen in the mantle. Researchers have simulated tens of thousands of exoplanets and found that fewer than 1 in 10 have Earth-like abundances of phosphorus and nitrogen. This means that the conditions necessary for life to thrive are much more rare than we thought. It's a bit like finding a needle in a haystack, except the needle is a planet with just the right amount of oxygen, phosphorus, and nitrogen. So, what does this mean for our search for life beyond Earth? Well, it suggests that the universe might be a lot more hostile to life than we thought. The Fermi paradox, which asks, "Where is everybody?" might have a new explanation. Maybe the reason we haven't found any signs of life yet is that the conditions necessary for life to thrive are so rare. As we continue our journey through the cosmos, we're reminded that the search for life is a complex and challenging one. But with each new discovery, we're getting closer to understanding the mysteries of the universe. Welcome back to Star Chat. As we wrap up today's journey through the cosmos, we turn our attention to a story that reminds us of the challenges and complexities of space exploration. In Japan, a private space development company called Space One has canceled the launch of its Kairos rocket after a safety system was activated just 30 seconds before liftoff. Imagine being on the cusp of a major milestone, with years of hard work and dedication culminating in this moment, only to have it delayed by a split-second decision made by a sophisticated safety system. It's a sobering reminder that space travel is not for the faint of heart, and that the pursuit of progress often requires patience, perseverance, and a deep respect for the unknown. The Kairos rocket, measuring 18 meters in length and weighing around 23 metric tons, is an impressive feat of engineering, featuring a 3-stage solid fuel engine and a liquid fuel engine. Its mission is to carry 5 small satellites into space, a crucial step in the development of Space One's service to deliver small satellites into orbit. As we consider the challenges faced by Space One, we're reminded that the journey to the stars is not without its setbacks. The company has already experienced 2 failed launch attempts in 2024, and this latest delay serves as a poignant reminder that space exploration is a complex and unforgiving pursuit. And yet, despite these challenges, the allure of space remains irresistible. As we continue to push the boundaries of what's possible, we're driven by an insatiable curiosity about the universe and our place within it. We're compelled to explore, to discover, and to innovate, not just for the sake of progress, but for the profound impact that space exploration can have on our daily lives. As we look up at the stars, we're reminded of the infinite possibilities that await us. We're inspired by the courage and determination of companies like Space One, which are willing to take risks and push the boundaries of what's thought possible. And we're humbled by the realization that, despite our advancements, we're still just beginning to scratch the surface of the universe's secrets. That's all for today's Star Chat. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, remember to keep looking up at the stars.